For the course AI driven data insight, let's get into the fifth lab, which is question and answering. Okay, now let's get into the main thing. So here we are importing OpenAI, which we have already installed. So I'm pasting my OpenAPI key here. Let's go to the next thing. So I'm going to find the thing which is available in that time which we are using. So GPT 3.5 is available now. I'm just going to take the GPT 3.5 model and I'll run it here. So in the cell, I'm creating a database and storing it in this location. And I'm also creating embedding as well as the vector database. The name of the embedding is embeddings and the name of the vector database is vectordb. And let me print it. So I got the same is 418. It is the default one which is present. So with the help of vector similarity search, let me search for the question, what are the major topics? So in the class, what are the major topic? Let me run it. Let's find what are the major topic. And I got the output as 3 length and I didn't print the output. That's fine. So let's get into the next one. Is here I'm using the model LLM from chat OpenAI. So with the help of chat OpenAI function, I'm creating an LLM which has the model name as LLM name. What is LLM name here? So the LLM name here is GPT 3.5 Turbo. I'm using the same LLM which is GPT 3.5 Turbo with the temperature as 0 and OpenAPI key. You can pass your own OpenAPI key here. Now I'm creating a retrieval chain. Retrieval QA is nothing but retrieval question answer. So it is a module or it is a method which is used to retrieve questions or used to give questions to the document and retrieve answer from the document. So QA chain is a variable which contains the retrieve QA from the chain type. So with the help of from chain type function, I'm passing my LLM here. This is the LLM which I've created. Then the retriever. So I've created retriever here, so I'm passing the retriever. Let me run the cell. Now let's go to the next step is result. I'm storing the QA chain, that is the giving the query to a QA chain and storing the output in variable called result. I'll run it. So it will take time. Okay, my execution is got completed. What is the query which I asked? The query which I asked was what are major topics for this class? So the answer I got was the major topics are machine learning and its various subfield. So it gives me answer perfectly. Okay, now let's go to prompt. The prompt is nothing but giving question to the model is called prompting. So in this prompting, I'm creating a template for prompt. So I'm telling the model that you have to answer in this format only. Context will be there, a question followed by the answer, and it must also give a helpful answer, which will be like a replacement for that answer. Let me run the chain. So in QA chain, so LLM is we are passing the LLM, retriever, and vector database. So the chain type is also I'm passing. Okay. And I'm passing the question now. The question is probability a class topic? I'm finding whether we are learning probability in this topic. Let's see what is the output. So it will take a minute to run. Yeah, it works. Yeah, we have probability in this class topic. So it says, yeah, you have the probability in this topic. You can go refer for it, and it also says thanks for asking because according to my prompt, my model is being gentle to me. So it is really necessary for a model to be gentle to the user, right? Okay, so I'm searching. So I got the output. So I'm wondering where this output come from, where the model found that whether I have probability in my class or not. So this is where my model found. So we can search for a source document. The source document is this, and it says the probability is present in my PDF. So it works. Now let's go to the topic retrieval QA chain type. So in this retrieval QA chain type, I'm creating a retrieval QA which is same as the thing which I've created before, but I'm changing the chain type as MapReduce. So it is nothing but let me get into it. Let me run the result. So let's see what are we getting as an output. The question is same everywhere, but the answer might differ according to the chain type because MapReduce chain is not so like small one. It is the biggest one compared to a normal chain here. So here we're just using a normal chain, but MapReduce chain is comparatively huge. So we may get a warning, so just ignore the warning. We'll get output in the end. So let's wait for the model to give us the output. Okay, we got the output. Let me run this. So from this we can find that based on the given information, probability is not a specific topic, but according to our similarity, this QA chain, it says that probability is a topic which is present. But from this document you can see probability is not a topic. It is just a word which is present in the document. A word present is not equal to a whole chapter, right? So the basic chain does not found whether the probability is present in the system or present in the PDF or not, but it says it is present. But this map reduce function, with the help of this map reduce, it found and it give a perfect answer that based on the given information it is not clear whether the probability is specific topic or not. Obviously the probability is not a specific topic, it is a subtopic which is just appears in 2 to 3 things. That is all. So it works perfectly fine. Now let's run it again. And it will take few minutes as well because it's MapReduce and I'll get error. And this was small warning, just don't mind about that warning. Let's wait. Let's see what are we getting as an output. Okay, it got executed and it says the same answer because I'm running the same thing again, right? So okay, let's go to the limitation. So what are the limitation? Why do we have limitations in QA? So the main limitation which is present in that retrieval QA is it fails to preserve the history. So preserving history is nothing but if we ask a question to the model. Let me give an example. I'm going to ask where is what to say. Let me ask where a person is present or what is the weather now. In my location, what is the weather now? So if I'm asking the question which is related to the previous question, so it can't answer, so it will not keep the history on it, it will not save the history on the variable. So that is the problem which is faced in this retrieval QA, and that is the limitation which is faced here as well. So let me run this. So I'm continuously running it again and again. I may get some warning, so we'll wait for some time. Okay, I got the output. So the output says that the probability is the topic which is covered in the class. It says it is covered. Then I'm asking the question. So you can see, take this as an example. So my previous question is probability a class topic? And I'm asking another question as why are those prerequisites needed? Those. What are those here? Here I know what are those because those mention or maps to probability. According to human, we can find that those means the probability which is the previous question. But a model cannot find out, right? So that is the problem which is faced in retrieval QA. Let's see what is the output. So it will take time because, as I said, I'm running it again and again. Yeah, it works. So it says that the prerequisites are needed because the class assumed. So the answer for this and this are totally not dependent or not equal to each other. But the answer should be same, right? Should be equal or should be some similarity to it. But it is not at all similar to each other. So this is the limitation which we see in retrieval QA. So now you can execute your own stuffs and see. Thank you.